What should you do when your mom starts looking raggedy? I get this question all the time because, moms are only looking beautiful and glorious for about 3 or 4 weeks in a best case scenario. And then all of those beautiful flowers, they start wilting and turning brown and just kind of looking junky. So let's look at this one, for example. We still have some really pretty flowers, and then we have others that are just looking kind of bad. The question is always, can I get these things to rebloom or should I deadhead? What do I do in these situations? The answer is yes, you should deadhead. So when you see a flower like this that's completely spent, the petals are brown, we just pop that off, and that is called removing the dead flower head. Yes, you can certainly go through here and deadhead away all of these spent blooms, and that's going to make your mum look more tidy and just keep it a little more colorful and nice looking for another week or two. Now, it's not necessarily going to make it bloom more, but what it is going to do is clear room for the later buds to open. So, if you look down inside your mum, you may see more new flower buds that are lower down inside the foliage, and those are going to be younger buds that have already formed but aren't blooming yet. And by removing these ones, you're going to make room for the later buds to develop and continue to bloom for an additional few weeks. Now, the secondary round of blooms isn't going to be as spectacular as the first round was, but it still will give you some color. And then once it's done blooming all together, remember, these are perennial plants, so you can go plant them out in the garden. And the next question I always get is, should you cut these back once you plant them in the ground? Yes and no. Some people, as soon as they're done blooming, they like to cut them back low and then go plant them. I am of the opinion that you should let them naturally freeze back. So that's going to mean that all of the leaves are going to turn brown and crispy and the stems will turn brown. And at that point, you would then cut them low to the ground once they're in the ground. And if you want, you can put some mulch over them to keep them warm over the winter. So sure, every few days, get in there, deadhead these plants. You'll get a few extra blooms, and then don't forget to enjoy them for years to come by planting them out in the flower beds.